In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Elementor cache. Whether you're troubleshooting designs, not displaying as expected, or just want to ensure your site is running at peak performance, clearing the cache in Elementor is an essential maintenance step. So, let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the command center for all your site management needs. Once inside, look to the left-hand menu. You're searching for the Elementor section. It might be a bit further down the list, but rest assured, it's there. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. A sub-menu will appear, giving you several options like Settings, My Library, and what we're looking for today, Tools. Go on and click on Tools. With the Elementor Tools page open, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're under the General tab, which is where the magic happens for our current task. Here, we're going to focus on a couple of key options. First up, you'll see a button labeled Clear Files and Data. When you click this button, it essentially does a bit of house cleaning within Elementor. This action is crucial for removing any cached files and data that might be clogging the system. Behind the scenes, this helps free up resources and ensures that any changes you make to your site appear as intended without delay. Next, you'll notice another option here, labeled Sync Library. This is an optional step, but can be incredibly useful, especially if you've added new widgets, templates, or styles to your site. Clicking Sync Library refreshes Elementor's internal styling files and goes a step further by rebuilding CSS for your designs. Simply put, this option ensures everything is up to date, matching the latest evolving design elements you might be working with. Let's recap briefly. By clearing files and syncing, you're making sure that Elementor functions efficiently with the most current version of your design data. This action significantly reduces the risk of running into outdated styling issues or mismatched content, which can be a common source of frustration. Just a quick note. After performing these steps, it's always a good idea to clear your browser cache as well. This ensures that any cached data on your local browser doesn't conflict with the refreshed data from your WordPress site. And there you have it, a quick and easy process to clear your Elementor cache. Following these steps will help maintain a smooth, seamless design experience. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune into our channel for more helpful tips and tricks related to WordPress and Elementor. Happy editing!